was a lad that killed many men. He robbed the Glendale train. He stole from the rich and he gave to the poor. He had a hand and a heart and a brain. Well, it was Robert Ford, that dirty little coward. I wonder now how it feels. For he ate of Jesse's bread and he slept in Jesse's bed and he laid poor Jesse in his grave. Well, Jesse had a wife to mourn for his life. 3 children, now they were brave. Well, that dirty little coward that shot Mr. Howard and he laid poor Jesse in his grave. A man, a friend to the poor. He never robbed a mother or a child. There never was a man with a law in his hand that could take Jesse James when alive. Well, it was on a Saturday night, yeah, the moon was shining bright. They robbed the Glendale train, and the people they'd say, oh, many miles away, those outlaws, Jeff Frank and Jesse James. Well, Jesse had a wife to mourn for his life. 3 children, now they were brave. Well, that dirty little coward that shot Mr. Howard, he laid poor Jesse in his grave. They wondered how he ever come to fall. Robert Ford, it was a fact. He shot Jesse in his back while Jesse hung a picture on the wall. Well, Jesse went to rest with his hand on his breast.